Ranikhet, the Queen's Meadow. Have you ever wondered what true stillness sounds like? Tucked away in the majestic arms of Uttarakhand lies a sanctuary called Ranikhet. Literally translated as the Queen's Meadow. Here the air carries the crisp scent of ancient pine and cedar. As you wander through the sun-dappled trails of Shabatia orchards, the world feels different. Look toward the horizon and you'll find the mighty Nanda Devi, standing tall and draped in eternal snow. Ranikhet is a place where history and nature live in a quiet embrace. From the disciplined echoes of the Kumaon Regiment to the rolling greens of one of Asia's highest golf courses, there is a timeless dignity here. In these hills, time isn't measured by hours, but by the shifting shadows on the valley floor. If the chaos of the world has grown too loud, let the silence of these woods bring you home. Whether it's the spiritual calm of the Jhula Devi Temple, or a lonely walk through a forest path, Ranikhet invites you to pause, to breathe, to simply be. Ranikhet, where the mountains come to whisper, "Thank you."